In this session, we are going to see about unguided media, that is wireless communication in computer networks. Unguided media transport electromagnetic waves without using a physical conductor. So there will not be any physical structure in this communication device. This type of communication is often referred to as wireless communication, and three kinds of waves used in this wireless communication. One is radio waves, second one is microwaves, and third one is infrared waves. So electromagnetic spectrum for wireless communication through 3 kilohertz to 300 gigahertz radio wave and microwave, and above 300 gigahertz infrared waves. And propagation method, three kinds of propagations: ground propagation, sky propagation, and line of sight propagation. So ground propagation is below 2 megahertz and sky propagation is 2 to 30 megahertz, and line of sight propagation is above 30 megahertz. You can see the figure. First one is ground propagation, second one is sky propagation, and third one is line of sight propagation. So this is the band range propagation and application. VLF, very low frequency, 3 to 30 kilohertz ground propagation, and long range application, long range radio navigation. And band low frequency, 30 to 300 Hz ground propagation, application radio beacons and navigational locators. Middle frequency, 300 to 3 MHz, 300 kilohertz to 3 MHz sky propagation, AM radio. And high frequency, 3 to 30 MHz sky propagation and application, citizens band ship aircraft communication. Very high frequency, 30 to 300 sky and line of sight, VHTV, VHF-TV and FM radio. Then ultra high frequency, 300 MHz to 3 GHz line of sight and cellular phones, paging, satellite. And super high frequency, 3 to 330 GHz line of sight, satellite communication. And extremely high frequency, 30 to 300 GHz line of sight, radar and satellite. So these are the band range propagation and application. Wireless transmission waves, wireless transmission, radio wave, microwave and infrared waves, three kind of waves. Radio waves are used for multicast communication such as radio and television and paging systems. They can penetrate through walls. Highly regulated, use omnidirectional antennas. So these radio waves can penetrate through walls. Then this is omnidirectional antenna. Then microwaves are used for unicast communication such as cellular telephones, satellite networks and wireless LANs. High frequency ranges cannot penetrate walls. Use directional antennas, point to point line of sight communications. So this is unidirectional antennas, dish antenna, horn antenna. So these are the examples. Then infrared signals can be used for short range communication in a closed area using line of sight propagation. So infrared signals can be used for short range communication, and we can use this inside a room. For example, TV remote, AC remote, these are done by this infrared signals. Then wireless channels are subject to a lot more errors than guided media channels. Interference is one cause for errors. Can be circumvented with high SNR. The higher the SNR, the less capacity is available for transmission due to the broadcast nature of the channel. Channel also subject to fading and no coverage holes.